Hello everyone, welcome to Best Indian Food. Today I am showing mint chutney. It's very delicious, spicy, tasty. Ingredients for chutney: mint 100 grams, 1 tomato, 10 green chili, 50 grams sesame seeds, cumin, little bit of tamarind, salt, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, 1 onion, curry leaves, 1 spoon of tempering seeds, dry chili 3, and heat oil. Go to the next procedure. Let's cut green chili, onion, and tomato. Next, go to the procedure. First, heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons oil. Next, sesame seeds, 3 dry chili, curry leaves, let 1 minute fry. After green chili, fry 1 minute. Next, tomato. Let it fry tomato 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add a turmeric powder. Little bit of tamarind. Okay, after 2 minutes, added mint. Mix it well. Cook to 10 minutes. Now turn the flame. Let it cool down into room temperature. After the cool down, transfer the mixie jar. Now ready to mint paste. Now tempering it. First heat the pan. Added 1 tablespoon ghee. Next, little bit punch of hing. Next, transfer the chutney. Turn the flame. Mix it well. Now mint chutney is ready. It's very tasty and spicy and delicious. So thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.